Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy the show. On tonight's menu, linguine with oil with veggies. The morning mise en place, just after prep. The evening mise en place, heating up some oil in the fry pan. The linguine is doing its thing in the hot jacuzzi. I add the onions and the bell peppers and start to saute. I add all the squash and continue to saute. Starting the oil infusion, I add the dried basil and saute. The oil infusion is just about done. I add the spinach to the fry pan and saute some more. Here's the finished veggies. The linguine is all cooked. The veggies and the pasta together. And then I add the oil infusion and give it a good mix. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the show. Have fun cooking.